All right, Steve, here's your door. So this is one of the quietest doors out there. They have nylock bushings in between all the hinges, so that's phenomenal. Your hard, all your struts, your rails, your torsion bar up top, that was all extremely rusted. I wasn't planning on changing that out, but I couldn't do it in good conscience. Give you this brand new door and brand new opener, put brand new springs on that super rusty setup. So you have all brand new hardware and door. This thing is awesome. These springs are new to the supplier. They're very pretty, powder coated. They look fantastic. You got a MyQ app, hit that, and you can sync up your opener so that you can actually be notified when your renters are opening and closing the door, if that's something you're interested in. Otherwise, yeah, the push button and the remote for the car, which I will leave right here. If I can get the strap. There you go. All right. So that's it. Thank you very much, Steve. I hope you like it.